Introducing the Xmachine, a desktop 5-axis CNC machining center. Crafted with a sturdy cast aluminum machine bed, this cutting-edge machine features precision linear guide rails and ball screws. The machine is powered by a high-speed permanent magnet, synchronous spindle motor. The Xmachine is designed with an innovative retractable magazine tool capable of storing up to 7 tools, seamlessly integrated with a hidden automatic tool changer for uninterrupted workflows. The machine offers versatile machining capabilities, with A-axis travel ranging from -30 degree to 120 degree, C-axis travel of 360 degree, and X, Y, and Z travels of 160 millimeters, 210 millimeters, and 130 millimeters respectively. A dedicated C-axis direct drive motor features a specially designed optical encoder, ensuring enhanced precision and efficiency with self-engineered MCU and PDIC components. X, Y, Z, and A-axes are driven by our proprietary high-precision servo motors, integrating unique optical encoders for precise position, feedback, and positioning control. Our servo driver excels in multi-axis coordinated motion control, delivering impeccable operational performance. The control panel, with an intuitive design, including a precision hand wheel and convenient knobs, is topped by a 10-inch 4K HD display for a seamless user experience. So this is the next generation 5-axis CNC machine with next-level features and unparalleled working experience. With its innovative design and limitless applications, Xmachine is built to step up your game and unlock endless possibilities for you.